If there's any sport where technology is king, auto racing is it. Microseconds make the difference between first and second place, and millimeters matter. That's where the Quantum X FaroArm with laser line probes powered by D-Tex, a major upgrade to FARO Creaform's lineup of portable CMMs, can help.
The attention to detail when you're building the car is ultimately what manifests itself all the way to the racetrack.
The upgrade significantly improves time to data, up to 60%, without sacrificing data quality, allowing users to capture shiny, high contrast, and complex or non-uniform parts in the most hard-to-reach locations. With a streamlined user interface and automated settings, the result is a faster, more accurate, and more versatile product. D-Tex enhanced LLPs also mean you'll get more out of the FARO 8-Axis Max, a metrology-grade rotary work table. Complete with the latest ISO certifications, the 8-Axis Max is built with encoders that increase the flexibility and ergonomics of measurement, greatly improving its time to data, decreasing scanning and probing time by up to 40%. Quality control, first article inspection, and reverse engineering tasks have never been more intuitive. Thanks to D-Tex, you can scan the most challenging surfaces, while the LLP optimizes the settings for the best result. Scan dark or shiny parts, high contrast parts, and reflective parts.
With D-Tex, scanning is easier than ever before. I used to have to mess with the LLP settings before I got data. Now I point, scan, D-Tex takes care of the rest.
Configuring your FaroArm is easy. Available in 5 lengths and 3 accuracy levels, with 6 and 7 axis options to measure everything from small to large parts.
The Quantum X is an excellent system. We're always striving for the highest level of accuracy. We can achieve thousandths of an inch over large distances.
Whether you're a metrology pro aiming for top accuracy or just getting started with portable arms, the Quantum X series delivers the results you need.
FARO Creaform is a great partner of ours and helps us shave microseconds at the racetrack.
When every second counts and every millimeter matters, D-Tex delivers.